Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Square payments to your WIX website. Want to accept payments through Square on your WIX website? It's quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps to set it up properly. So first of all, log into your WIX account and go to your website's dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Now scroll down and select Accept Payments. This is where you manage all your payment methods. Here, you will see a list of available payment providers. Find Square and click Connect. You will be prompted to log into your Square account, enter your credentials, and click Sign in. Don't have an account yet? No problem. Sign up for free. Once logged in, authorize Wix to access your Square account. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message. Finally, ensure Square is marked as your active payment method, and you are all set to start accepting payments. That's it. In just a few steps, you have successfully added Square payments to your Wix website. Now, your customers can pay quickly and securely. Need more help? Check out Wix Help Center or Square's support. Thanks for watching.